Hello friends, in this video we will configure Cisco WSA topology initial configuration. This is our topology. We have R1, R2, R3, 4, 5, 6, 6 routers, AD 101.10, WSA1, WSA2, PC1 and PC2, lane VLAN ID 1 and when VLAN ID is here you can see 101. Now let's start the configuration. We required VLAN 101. Go to switches. No VLAN to 2000. We required VLAN 101. Done. We have to configure switch 1, interface 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 48 in VLAN 101. Interface range fast Ethernet 1 by 0 by 1 to 6 as well as fast Ethernet 1 by 0 by 48. Yes, we have to configure 1 to 6 and port number 48 in VLAN 101. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 101. Done. Okay, now yes, we have done. VLAN configuration complete. VLAN you can see 101, VLAN 101. Interfaces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 48. 1 to 6 and 48 they are in VLAN 101. Done. Now we have to go to R1. Go to R1. Save this configuration. Go to R1. R1 F0 by 0. Interface F0 by 0. No shut IP address. DHCP client ID F0 by 0. Do show history. Copy these commands, paste them on R2, on R3, on R4, R5, R6. Done. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are obtaining IP address from DHCP. Commands are in front of you. Go to interface, no shutdown, IP address, DHCP, client ID F0 by 0. Now you can see 192.168 0 dot something. Now 0.11. It is 12, 13, 14, 15, it's 16 and it's 17. Done. Now what we can do? Yes, it's configuration complete. Now we have to configure R1 lane. R1 lane no shut 101.1. Done. 101.1. Now what we have to do? On R1 we have to check internet access. Put command IP domain lookup ping google.com. Yes, it can communicate with Google. R1 it is obtaining IP address from DHCP and that subnet has internet access. Now you can see it can communicate. Yes, R1 can communicate with google.com, but our task is R1 lane should be able to communicate with internet. It is not possible because we have to configure here PET. Let's configure port address translation. Conf T. Okay. F0 by 0 outside. Interface F0 by 0. IP net outside. Interface 0 by 1. 0 by 1 that is inside. IP net inside. Done. Do show IP interface brief. F0 by 0, 0.11, 0 by 1, 101.1, 101.1. Do show history. F0 by 0, that is our net outside interface. This is 0 by 1 IP net inside interface. Create an access list. IP access list extended net ACL. Permit IP when source is my lane, destination any. IP net inside source list name is here net ACL. We will translate with interface name is F0 by 0, then overload. Done. Do show history. Again I am repeating, 0 by 1, 0 by 1 is inside, 0 by 0 outside. Create an access list. In that access list, permit your lane, destination any. Put command IPNet inside. Packet will come from this interface. We have to change the source, which will match with access list net ACL. We will translate with 0 by 1. 0 by 1 contain 192.168.0 dot something, and overload means enable PAT. Using this command, router is already able to communicate with internet, but our task is our lane should be able to communicate with internet. So source 0 by 1. Yes. R1 lane 192.168.101.1 is able to communicate with internet. Done. Now what we have to do, this R1 0 by 1, which is connected with switch to port number 1, switch to port number 1, 2 by 0 by 1, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 1, spanning tree port fast default. Done. Now we have virtual machines here. We will use AD and then PC. First of all, let's start AD. This is our Active Directory. Then revert with snapshot. Okay, this is our Trenonic.com, IP address 192.168.101.1. Check reachability with its gateway as well as internet. Go to AD, start run cmd ipconfig. Yes, then ipconfig all. Now what we have to do, we will say to AD start run ncpa.cpl that you can use public DNS server. Public DNS server, yes, we have IP addresses. For example, 203 203 187 215 35. Yes, this is our service provider DNS server. This one, you can copy it or you can paste it, as well as you can also define 8.8.8.8. Then OK, close, start run cmd ipconfig. ping to its gateway 101.1, it is able to communicate. 0.11, yes. AD is able to communicate with R1. R1 IP address is here. 0.11, as well as it can communicate with google.com, bing.com, and it can also access them. www.google.com. Done. Yes, according to our topology, our lane is able to communicate with internet, as you can see here, Google as well as www.bing.com. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to check our PC1. We have PC here, this one. Revert with snapshot. Verify, start run, CMD, IP config. Now what we have to do? We will say to client that your DNS server, first of all, we will say to client that your DNS server is AD, which IP address 192.160, which IP address 192.168.101.10. Go to PC1, go to PC1, start run ncpa.cpl, then properties, version 4, yes, it is already configured with our local DNS. Okay, close, ping google.com, working. Ping bing.com, working. Ping facebook.com, working. www.google.com. Done. Yes, you can see here our PC1 is also able to communicate with internet. Again, you can see this is AD. It is successfully able to communicate with internet. PC1 is successfully able to communicate with internet. Okay, so this was our WSA Topology Lab initial configuration. When you are going through with these videos, be sure that your lane is able to communicate with internet, PC or AD. Thank you.